Sulit na maging sa ating unboxing vlog. Ito na guys, ang ating binili mula sa online. Ito ay ang Nivea Deodorant Original Antiperspirant Roll-On. So let's go guys, mag-unbox na ito guys. Let's go. Guys, Parya Antiperspirant Dry Comfort Deodorant guys. Guys, click nyo na guys sa online guys para makabili kayo nito guys. Ito. Parya Royal Parya Antiperspirant Dry Deodorant. Mabago guys at nice product siya, very cheap. Kaya ito guys, magagamit na natin siya sa after maligo guys. I-roll na natin siya guys, ganun. Yan. Okay guys, click the yellow basket. Ito guys, na-unbox na natin siya guys. Ito ay Royal Parya Antiperspirant Dry Comfort na deodorant. Yan guys, i-open natin guys. Tapos gamitin natin guys. Mabango guys. Yan. Mabango. Yan. Ito ay may long-lasting freshness, pleasant scent with minimal starting heat, remains effective throughout the day. It is generally well tolerated by sensitive skin and considered a budget-friendly alternative to more sensitive brands. It is fast delivery and secure